She dey give me proto, lolo. What I really want is your love. We make you love.
Teresa, I dey put am, she dey feel am, she dey lick am. You
vacation vibes here. Like, the length is gorgeous. It's actually a cute wig for the summer, a must-have, I should say, wig for the summer, and the highlights is definitely giving vibes like a vacation to any Caribbean island. Hey royals, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I installed and finessed this Tpart unit that was sent to me by Afsister Wigs, and it came in this box right here. This is their 22-inch 13 by 4 Tpart unit in loose waves, and the density of this wig is 150% density. It's actually a cute wig for the summer, a must-have, I should say, wig for the summer, and the length is really nice on this unit, and the highlights is definitely giving. So if you are interested to see how I installed and finessed this Tpart unit, well, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't as yet. Give this video a big thumbs up and to comment down in the comment section bar down below. So with no further ado, let's jump right into this quick install. So the wig that I'm going to be installing today is in collaboration with Afsister Wigs. The hair came in this cute little black box. Inside of the box I received their 22-inch Tpart Brazilian Virgin loose wave hair, and this wig is called Gemma. Inside of the box, along with the Tpart unit, I received some goodies. I received this cute little hairband. I also received elastic bands as well, a stocking cap, and the hair care instructions. So a bit about the cap construction of this wig. This hair came pre-bleached and pre-plucked. So inside of the wigs, this wig has 3 combs behind of the lace, 1 in the middle and 1 on each side, 1 to the back, and it also came with adjustable straps so you can adjust this wig to your particular liking. This wig also came with an adjustable elastic band so you can adjust it or you can take it out, whichever one you prefer. So on to the installation part of this video. I already bleached the knot, so this is how the cap construction of the wig looks. I'm gonna take my concealer palette, my contour palette. If you watch my previous videos, you would actually know what I normally do. I just put it into the parting space. After I finish putting the concealer in, I'm going to use my blast freeze spray just to set it a bit. So this is how the wig looks on. So I'm just gonna clip it up because it's a lot of hair. So I'm just gonna go in and clean off. So after I'm done cleaning off the extra makeup around my forehead area, I went in to cut off the extra lace around my ear tabs area, and I also cut down the hair in smaller section. Now I am going in with my wig dealer wax stick, and then I'm going over that with my thermal hot comb just to lay the wig a little bit. Okay, so when I have the hair where I want it, I'm going in with my glue. So I am just going in with 3 layers of my Bold Hold active glue as usual. When the first layer of glue is dried, I am just blending that out with the end of my razor comb, and then I'm going in with my blow dryer just to blow dry everything. So now that the 2 layers of glue is dried, I'm just gonna pull the lace onto it. I'm gonna start with the middle portion. So I'm just gonna take my comb before I push it into. After I get the lace where I want it, I'm just gonna push that into my skin, and then I'm going over with my blow dryer just to blow dry everything. And if there were area to the front portion that didn't get any glue, I go in with the end of my rat tail comb just to put a little bit of glue on that to secure everything. And to set everything together, I am going in with my Got To Be Blast free spray, and then I'm going to blow dry that. So I'm gonna be taking my wax stick and I'm just gonna put it in. So after the glue is dried, I am going in with my razor comb just to cut off the extra lace to the front portion. So I'm just cutting off the lace in a jagged motion until everything is to my liking, and then I'm going over that when I'm done cutting off the extra lace with my Got To Be Blast free spray. And then after I finish getting everything the way I want it to, I'm just gonna tie down my hair with my elastic band just to melt the lace a little bit more. Just to make sure that the top portion of my hair is laid a little bit more, I am going in with my thermal hot comb after I finish using my wax stick. And then I'm going in with my oil sheen just to spray my hair a little bit. I'm going in with my contour palette. So by using this concealer, it helps to blend the lace in to make it look like scalp. So now I'm going to start to finesse my baby hairs. So I am just parting out sections in the front portion to create my baby hairs. So I'm going to let you guys watch exactly what I'm going to do. The baby hair look that I'm going for today is flirty yet summer, you know, wavy vibes. So you guys would see what I'm about to do. So I'm going in with my for my baby hairs, I'm going in with my Lotta body foaming mousse. So I'm just working on swooping my baby hairs. With baby hairs, it takes a lot of work and practice, you guys, to get it exactly how you want it. So I'm just parting out some hair to the middle portion because I wanted to create a little bit more of a dramatic baby hair look to the front portion. So after I finished using the foaming mousse, it wasn't working for me, so I went in with my Gorilla Snot gel just to lay the middle portion a little bit. So I'm just working on finessing my baby hairs. Again, you guys, this baby hair look took a bit of time, but I got it exactly how I actually envisioned it, and I love it. So after I finish laying my top portion of my hair, I'm going in just to blow dry that so the baby hairs could actually stay that way. So I'm just working on the side portion. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch to see what I'm doing. So after I'm finished finessing my baby hairs, I am going to damp my hair with some water and conditioner, and then I'm going over that with my Lotta body foaming mousse just to define the curls on the wig a little bit more. And as you guys can see, this wig is giving what it needs to be giving, and it's definitely giving summertime vacation vibes. Like, so after about 30 minutes, this is how the lace is looking. It's definitely giving me melted vibes, you guys, and my baby hairs are just giving what it needs to be giving. I'm just perfecting them to my liking, and you guys, this wig is everything. Like the curls, the highlights, the length is gorgeous. I'm just going in now with my Black Radiant palette, and you guys know this is my holy grail when it comes to perfecting the parting space of my wig, and I'm just going to be using that also to the front portion, just to finesse the front portion a little bit. And you guys, I love the end result. I love this wig. You can use my coupon code, which will be in the description bar down below, which is Latoya, to save some money off of this wig. So after I finish finessing the baby hair area of this wig, that concludes the installation process, you guys. This Gemma wig from Afsister is bomb. It's a must-have vacation wig, definitely giving summer vibes. Like, it's a must-have. So you guys, this is the end result of my Tpart unit that I got from Afsister wigs, and it came in this box right here. The packaging was really cute, like with the little blue bow on top of the box. It was really cute. So a bit about this wig. Again, this is a 13x4 Tpart unit, and this wig is called Gemma. It's their Gemma highlighted virgin human hair Tpart wig in loose waves, and I got it in 22 inches in 150% density. And this wig retails for $248.99 on their hair site. I'll leave all their information in my description bar down below, as well as a coupon code. If you want to purchase this unit, you'll get to save some money off of this wig. Straight out of the box, the wig was really soft. I went in and I plucked the unit. So this wig is definitely a must-have wig for the summer, you guys. The hair is definitely giving a vacation vibe, like a vacation to any Caribbean island. Well, I live where you vacation, or to Miami, wherever you're living in the United States. It's definitely a vacation vibe. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. And always remember to put God first in everything that you do. See you in my next one.